How to remove duplicates in Airtable. In this video, I'll show you how to remove duplicates in Airtable. So to get started, go ahead and open Airtable on your preferred browser, sign into your account, and then once you're in, head over into the workspace where you want to remove duplicates to. So as you can see, this is the workspace where I want to remove a duplicate to. Now head back and then click on this marketplace button at the bottom left of your screen. And here use the search bar to search for the dupe extension. Click on it and then click on this add extension button. Now select a base where you want to add this and click on this add extension button to confirm, and that will take you into that base. So in this base, go ahead and use the filters to find the duplicates of the title, content type, topic, description, status, due date, or assigned team member. And then after that, click on this review one out of the duplicates. And then from here, go ahead and select the one that you want to keep from that duplicated task. So simply click on the one that you want to keep before you click on the proceed button. So go ahead and press on the specific record that you want to keep. So as you can see, you can select between using this as a primary record or excluding this record from the set. So simply click on this use as primary record and then click on this merge and delete one record button to delete the duplicate record. And that is how you can basically remove duplicates in Airtable. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.